Hello, dark mode on LinkedIn. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. All you have to do is to go on LinkedIn, click on your profile button on the top right-hand side, and then go to settings and privacy. Once you come here to settings and privacy, you're going to select account preferences from the left-hand side, and here you're going to see display. You are simply going to click here on display and you are going to enable dark mode. That's it. The steps are exactly the same on mobile devices. So once again, you click on your profile, top right, you go to settings, then account preferences, under display, you enable dark mode, and you are golden. You are going to save your eyes. That's all for today. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you want to work with me, there are links in the video description. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day in any time zone. Bye, everyone.